Okay, Eric Boehm again back here for another very, very, very short mini lesson. And I've been watching your grades in our class, and a lot of folks, I mean a lot of folks, a decent amount of students have not even logged in or started a discussion or anything. I wanted to show you an example of a letter I just got actually from a student of mine last term who was in that situation. She wasn't able to get into the class for various and sundry reasons. As you can see, I have this message here. Nothing that unusual, nothing that any of you guys probably haven't dealt with. Sorry to email you so late. I got in from work, and see, I got a grade that was 64.4D. Anything I can do to bring it up? I know it's probably out of your hands, but I'm devastated and disappointed. I had to ask. I have struggled this semester. I have so much struggling at home. This is not usually how I am, my behavior. I can turn in extra work. But any chance I can fix this, explain it, never? No. The problem is that we don't have that ability here. This is a quick class. If you don't do this, for whatever reason, you have to probably take it over again. Although I do think she'll pass with a 64. It isn't the kind of grade that I would want to hire somebody to do for a job. If I'm going to hire somebody as a business person, I've hired people. I'm going to get somebody with a higher GPA. As an employer, it doesn't matter. So this is a great way for you to test yourself, to give it all you got, and get that high grade. Don't come back at the end with your tail tucked between your legs, because it's nothing we can do. This is this is what you got. It's your grade, and I try to tell you guys as early as possible not to be in this situation. This is not where you want to be, because we all are in this situation. We all have busy home lives. We're all struggling. And at the end of the day, I have a lot of students who get A's. And they have the same problem, but they do it. They get A's and B's. Right now I have students who are getting in the 90s. I have some hundreds in the IntelliPath right now. I've been checking it out. Wow. There's no reason that you guys can't get those high grades now. So please don't get in a situation where you find yourself disappointed in yourself. This is the time to fix these problems. Now is the time to step up. Don't be like this student here who now has to live with this grade. And I'm positively sure she could have done a lot better than she did, but she just put her time into other things, and at the end of the day, that's what you have to live with. Guys, I want to see high grades. I don't want to see F's and D's. No reason for this. If you have a problem with time, let me know about it in advance. Let your course mentor know about it. We can work through it. I can give you some ways to fix it. Okay, same thing if you're in a job. You have to get that job done. Your boss wants it done. These are skills that you're going to learn here that you can take with you anywhere you go. Very, very valuable. So again, it's Monday. Please, get your discussion done. You need to put in at least one initial discussion and 2 replies to your classmates, not to me, to your classmates. If you do all that, you're eligible for 40 points. If you don't do that by tomorrow night, you're going to lose those 40 points down the drain. Can't go back and fix that stuff. Please get in there today. Today. Don't wait until the last minute when there's a thunderstorm or the computer goes out or you have to work overtime or something. Do it now. This is how the students are getting A's. They get the work done now, and if anything happens later on, they're okay. Don't be left out of the bunch. If you need me, I'm here. You can email me, message me. I want to help you guys, okay? So thanks for watching this really short mini lesson. Let's go for the gold, okay? All right, thanks and good luck.